Infinite void. Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just gonna talk about stuff. Right now I kind of feel like my life is kind of meaningless, and I feel like my existence is not as important, and I'm just trying to figure out my life and stuff like that. And I know that if I think positively, my existence is important somewhat. So I'll keep thinking that way, and hopefully, that's the best thing to think about. So I want to talk about like how I got into programming music through code. It actually kind of goes back from like my childhood. So when I was a child, I think I was like 11 years old, I got into web development. So I was always programming and coding websites. I was in the age where MySpace existed and other social media websites that had where you can personalize your own account and design your and code your website. So that's how I got into the coding side. And then I actually went to art school, and I got a Bachelor of Fine Arts. While I was there, I ran into a professor when I took a sound art class. And that class, he exposed me to programming music through code. And that's how I discovered stuff like pure data. And then afterwards, like when I graduated, I discovered the programming language called Tidal Cycles and Sonic Pi. And ever since then, I've been actually making videos on YouTube and posting my code and making it available for others. I often upload my code onto my GitHub and share it because I think knowledge sharing is very important. Because when I was coding my music, I found it really challenging to make something reasonably decent sounding because there was not enough information out there. So everything that I learned was through various sources and various knowledge and whatever made sense to me that I put it all together. And that's how I made my musical pieces on my YouTube channel. I am just really passionate about coding music through programming. I just find it really fascinating and I really gravitate towards that a lot. And I just find it really interesting to challenge the boundaries of music. Now you can actually make music through a computer instead of an instrument. I actually don't really play an instrument. I don't even know how to play an instrument. I don't even know how to read or write music. I don't even know how to compose music. I have no musical theory background and education in music. I don't have any of that knowledge. It's just like when I make my music, I make it through just listening through whatever sounds good to my ears. So it's kind of hard to, because like when you're coding, you have to like write the code and then listen to the output the code that was that you scripted, and if it sounds good. Or if it doesn't, you have to adjust it and script it again until it sounds the way that you like it. So that's how I kind of build my processes and thought processes on how I generate my music. Yeah, so without my past experiences, I wouldn't be here today making music through programming. So yeah, also because of coding music through programming, I found it really enjoyable, and that's what's giving my existence meaning. And I feel like I have something to offer to the world, at least, that I find enjoyable and that keeps me excited and happy. So this is it. Coding music. I find it very fun, and I think it's pretty cool too. And the sounds that you can create are unique as well. Like it's kind of uniquely made from like mathematical code. So I find that kind of inspirational and just exciting for me to keep building musical pieces on my YouTube channel. I think I'm gonna start focusing on tidal cycles more because I actually find it a lot easier to make good sounding music. I found pure data a little bit more challenging, and there's not a lot of resources on that software too, and a lot of people kind of don't share their source code, or they make their patches really, really, really messy that it's hard to read and understand their thought processes. So that's why I struggled with Pure Data, and I kind of went off and on producing things because it was just too challenging to actually make something that sounds pretty reasonably decent. And I just found that title cycles is it for me. That's what I'm gonna start focusing on in 2024 is building musical pieces through the software title cycles, and just keep on making stuff as I go. I don't even know what I'm doing, and I just do stuff, and that's how I'm getting by. Yeah, I'm gonna try to continue to exist and live, even though sometimes life does get depressing at times, and there's also other personal struggles I deal with that I don't really discuss. So yeah, it's just been a challenging time for me, and I'm just trying my best and trying to find things that bring me joy. And yeah, this is it. I'm gonna continue making music on my channel, and I'm gonna focus on title cycles specifically because I find it a lot easier to make something really, really good from that programming language. Okay, well, I think this is going to be the end of this video because I don't like to chat a lot. I'm actually a quiet person. I am socially inept. I actually don't like talking. I'm actually very, 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 very quiet. That's just how I work. Okay, well, thanks for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Thanks for watching!